Good day, everybody. Brendan here with Southern Star Roofing. I just wanted to run a quick little video here to kind of show you a system that reflects our 5-star warranty products. This is completed. We finished late last week. We've got the Landmark architectural roof system. You got your shadow ridge, your ridge vent, the shadow ridge along the hip, and then your synthetic underlayment and ice and water shield in the valleys, that of which you can't see from above. But just doing a little walk over here, making sure everything was up to our expectations. They seem to exceed them here. So if you have any questions or want to learn more about our 5-star warranty option, give us a shout at 704 Yes Roof here in Charlotte. Also, you can find us in Asheville, North Carolina, and Greenville, South Carolina. Y'all take care. Have a great day.